Kylie Jenner and Stormi are two birds of a feather with this unexpected nickname. Kylie Jenner proved she and Stormi Webster flocked together. The cosmetics creator is really embracing this unique pet name for her 3-year-old daughter. Take a gander, hint hint, below. It's nearly impossible to imagine Kylie Jenner calling her daughter anything other than Stormi or Stormi Baby in her iconic sing-songy tone. But, apparently, the billionaire has another nickname for 3-year-old Stormi Webster that she's kept under the radar for a while, and it proves she's totally taken Stormi under her wing. Kylie, 23, revealed the pet name while giving fans an inside look at their cozy movie night on her Instagram story on July 7. The clips showed her and her daughter, whom she shares with Travis Scott, in bed as they watched the Boss Baby Family Business. So, I had a long shoot day today. Now, we're in bed before 6 p.m. in my pajamas, face washed, ready to go. Kylie told her nearly 250 million followers, before teasing the relaunch of Kylie Cosmetics on July 15. In the background, little Stormi had her eyes on the animated Alec Baldwin movie. She doesn't wanna be filmed, Kylie whispered, before addressing her babe directly. Goosey, she called out. Goose, Stormi, Storm, I love you, Kylie told her. Stormi didn't seem too interested in the on-camera moment, as she rubbed her eyes and kept them glued to the TV screen without saying a word. Kylie kept trying, with increasing volume, I love you. I love you. Stormi, I love you. Finally, the adorable toddler softly responded, love you too, mommy. Who knows how Kylie chose the name Goose for her little girl, but it seems the nickname goes all the way back to last April. While isolating at home during the start of the pandemic, the Keeping Up with the Kardashians star shared a video of the pair and wrote, new name. Mommy Goose. 1 month later, the duo used their code names again, as Kylie told her, I love you, baby Goose, and Stormi replied, I love you, Mommy Goose. It's obvious Stormi has taken to the endearment like a duck to water. Lately, it seems Dad Travis has been spending more time with their flock. The rapper, 29, joined Kylie and Stormi for their 4th of July festivities at Lake Coeur d'Alene in Idaho last weekend. And, if rumor has it, the former couple reconciled after they attended the 2021 Parsons benefit together last month, Goosey included. At the event, Travis shouted out his wifey and daughter. With a source later telling E! News that they are romantic again and seem very happy with the direction they are headed.